All right, here we have question 6. You're basically going to find line segment AB and line segment BC. Okay, we have basically a bow tie, two triangles. To set up the proportion, it's better for you to color code it. The blue line is one of the transversals and the other transversal is in red. This allows us to basically get the corresponding angles, then match them up. All right, so the proportion I always like to use is blue over red. So the blue part here, x over 3, is going to be divided by the 5 because that's on one triangle. So the left ratio is for the ABE triangle, and the right ratio, same thing, blue over red, is for the smaller triangle of BDC. So 2x minus 8 is the blue part divided by 3. Okay, the color coding allows you to find the corresponding sides easier. All right, cross multiply. 3 times x plus 3 and 5 times 3x minus 8. Make sure you keep it in a parentheses when there are multiple terms, like x plus 3. It should be in a parentheses because there's two terms. 2x minus 8 should be in parentheses because there's two terms. Distribute 3 times x and 3 times 3, as well as 5 times 2x minus 5 times 8. That becomes 3x plus 9 equals to 10x minus 10. Okay, you want to minus 3x to both sides. That's how you get the 7x on the right. Add 40 to both sides. That gets you 49. 49 is equal to 7x. Divided both sides by 7. You get x is equal to 7. This is not the final answer. This is useful because once we have an x value, we can plug it in to get AB and BC. AB is defined as x plus 3, so just plug in that 7. You get 10. BC is 2x minus 8, so plug in the x as 7, so it's 2 times 7 minus 8. That gets you 6. Okay, for B, notice that this is a parallel line in a triangle, so basically we can use our side splitter theorem. The small red part divided by that big red part is equal to the small red part is equal to the left small red divided by the big red is equal to the small blue divided by the big blue. Okay, I'm comparing the left side with the right side. That's it. I'm using the slide split theorem. 3 times 6 and 5 times x plus 2. Distribute 18 is equal to 5x plus 10. Solve, so minus 10 to both sides, then divide by 5. You get x is equal to 8 over 5. You can still plug it in here, right? Use your calculator or know that this is 1.6. So 1.6 plus 2 is 3.6 for AB, and BC is not BC, sorry. This should be AC. AC is equal to, okay, AC is equal to 36 plus 6, right? X plus 2 plus 6. Okay, so this was 1.6, right? So this is 8.5, right? So it's basically this, right? 8 over 5 plus 2, which is 3.6, plus 6, okay? It's just 9.6. There you go.